Hi there. Here's how you can register for a Wholesale LYNN account. Firstly, go to the LYNN homepage, click the Wholesale registration button, type in your full name, type in your business name, your email, and your phone number. Choose which best describes your role in the grooming industry. Check off if you want the newsletter, which in my opinion is a must to benefit from the so many specials and offers that LYNN has. Click here if you want SMS notifications and submit. Within 24 hours during the workday week, your Wholesale account will be activated and you can enjoy wholesale pricing on various brands. And that's all that's to it. Bye for now.